Hello, this is Professor Cadenese again, and welcome to week 2 of English 098. I'm really excited to help you with the week 2 lesson, and I just wanted to say that if you have not yet done week 2 in English 099, I would suggest that you do that first. You certainly can start with 098, but if you start with 099, you're going to be able to work through a lot of readings and discussions and other activities that will help you to get started with the writing assignment. So you'll have a lot more context or information if you begin with English 099. So feel free to pause this and do your English 099 week 2 work first if you'd like. But if you have already done that or you would like to start with 098, welcome, and here we are. So this is week 2 overview, and you can see that the image on this page is name tags. So our project for week 2 is for you to write about your name, to write a creative essay that's about your name to get a sense of the writing process. We'll also begin to learn about writing strategy 1, which is to model your work after the work of an established author. So there's a lot that we can learn from what we read. So just to go through the week 2 information here, I got to this through modules, so I clicked on modules and then week 2 overview. And it says, welcome to week 2. This week you will learn about the first essay writing strategy. And after completing this session, you'll be able to have a tool in your toolbox, which is how to model your essay after an established writer's essay. Okay? So what you should do is make sure to watch the week 2 video. That's what you're doing right now, so you're off to a good start. You're going to write the diagnostic essay reflection. So what is that, you might ask? Let's take a look at what that is. So we're going to go back to modules, and then we're in week 2, and we're going to click on diagnostic essay reflection. Okay, so it says, please write one basic reflection paragraph about your diagnostic essay. And what the questions that you're going to answer are, do you feel that your work accurately reflects you as a writer? What aspects of the writing process were challenging? And what was the most fulfilling part of the process? So you're thinking about how your diagnostic essay went. So if you had problems with it, if you felt like you didn't have enough time to do it, if you felt like it was awesome and it really showed me how you are as a writer, you're just going to tell me about that. Okay? So again, when you're ready to submit, you're going to click Submit Assignment. And before you do that, remember that you have to make sure to do the assignment somewhere. So the best thing to do is open a Word document and then save that document once you're done with it. And then you're going to click Submit Assignment, and then you're going to click Choose File, and then you're going to find that assignment. Okay, so once you have submitted that assignment, you're going to go and take a look at the other things that you have to do. So if we're going to click back on Modules, okay, and here we are back at week 2, and you've done your diagnostic essay reflection. Then you're going to fill out your syllabus contract. That just lets me know that you've read the syllabus and that you agree to the terms of it. So you can click on that. And what you're going to do with this is basically to copy and paste the following into a text box. So you're going to copy this, and it just says that you understand the terms of the syllabus, particularly the attendance policy. Now, the attendance policy obviously is going to be different because this is an online course, but I want you to make sure that you get all of your assignments in on time and that basically each week you're doing a good amount of work for the course. So if you've read the syllabus and you understand all of these policies, you're going to copy the statement. Okay, and then you're going to click Submit Assignment, and then you're going to paste the statement here, and then you're going to write your name. So obviously you're not going to write my name, but if it were me, I would write my name there, and then I would click Submit Assignment. Okay. Then you wait a little bit, and then there you see that the arrow says turned in, so you know that you've done it. If you mess up, you can click resubmit assignment, and then it will allow you to resubmit. Now, when you have major essays or even essay drafts, you're not going to be able to write in the text box. You're going to need to write using Word or using Google Docs. And if you need help with that, beyond what you can see in this video, please let me know. All right, so let's go back to modules. And you can see that the other thing that you have to do is the My Name discussion. So in the My Name discussion, you are going to read the prompt, which says to please write 3 to 5 details about your name and then comment on at least one other person's post. Okay, so you're going to write something about your name. Maybe you're going to say, my name comes from my grandmother, or my name is my dad's name spelled backwards, or I don't know too much about my name, or I hate my name, or my name is the best ever. Okay, this is going to get us thinking about how to do the writing about your name. All right, so I will record another video about how to do the draft, but for now, what I would like you to do is just do your quiz about this video. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to the next video.